Now from lesson number 19 onwards, we are going to learn how to count in Arabic. Now, counting in Arabic is a little different from English. Sometimes it seems very complicated. It is a bit complicated, but we will do it slowly, inshallah. And Dr. Abdurrahim also has in his book divided counting into different sections. In this book, book 1, we will only learn from 1 to 10. That's all. Then when we go to book 2, we will learn from 11 to 19. And slowly in other lessons, lesson 24, it will complete the counting. We'll learn, inshallah. But I always tell students, because we do not have Arabic environment, you don't hear these things. That makes it even more difficult for us to practice. But please do not be too concerned. Try to understand the rules, and then later on, as you will read and revise, it will sink in more and more. In the beginning, it is not very, you won't find it that it's not coming to you very easily. But because we are dividing the numbers in small groups, it's not that bad. Okay? So, we are learning 1 to 10. Okay. On this side, I have written Wahid, Ithnani. The way they pronounce, it will be, they won't say Wahidun. They'll say Wahid. And then Ithnani. Do you see Ithnani? What do you see in the Hamza? Is it Hamzatul Qata or Hamzatul Wasal? It is Hamzatul Wasal. We have to take note of it. That Ithnani, the Hamza is Hamzatul Wasal. If it comes in the beginning, it is pronounced. If it doesn't come in the beginning, then it is assimilated. Are you with me? We have to remember that. And then Salasatun. But you will always hear the word Salasa. Like Fatima, not Fatima to Fatima. Salasa, Arba'a, Khamsa, and then Sitta, Sab'a, Thamani. Now Thamani is a noun, but it has a different construction, which we are not going to study till we go in book 3. It's different. Noun, it is called Mankus. It is called Mankus. And we are going to study in book 3 how these nouns are made. Okay? Very easy. But we are not ready for it now. And then Tis'a. Tis'a. Okay? Tis'a. And then Ashara. 10. Okay? This is, we can practice a little bit, and then I'll go further from there. Ready? Wahid, Ithnani, Thalatha, Arba'a, Khamsa, Sitta, Sab'a, Thamani, Tis'a, Ashara. Probably in Somali you have the same numbers. They are different. They are different. Okay. Wahid, Ithnani, Thalatha, Arba'a, Khamsa, Sitta, Sab'a, Thamani, Tis'a, Ashara. Okay. Now you should say loudly. Ready? Wahid, Ithnani, Thalatha, Arba'a, Khamsa, Sitta, Sab'a, ثماني تسعة عشرة. تسعة عشرة. Got the idea, brother and sister? We will practice little by little to understand it and learn it, inshallah. Now, number 1 and number 2. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Number 1 and number 2. When they come, they are always not. They are always not. Are you with me? They are always not. Always not. Number 1 and number 2 is always not. That is why we had a sentence in the last lesson. Kam akhan laka ya Muhammad or ya Mahmud, whatever you say. What was the answer? Li akhun wahidun. Remember? We said Li akhun wahidun. Remember that, brothers and sisters? Li akhun wahidun. And I asked Brother Salman this question. What is li? Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. What is akhun? Mubtada. Akhun? Mubtada. And then what is wahidun? Not. Remember, number 1 and number 2 will always come as a not. As a not. Only 1 and 2. Okay? So, kalamani, ithnani, or you will have to join it. Kalaman ithnani. Kalaman ithnani. So what is ithnani? Not. Okay? If you say indi kalamani, indi kalamani, it gives you an idea that you have 2 pens. But if you say indi kalamun, then you have to say wahidun. Indi kalamun wahidun means I have only 1 pen. But if you say indi kalamani, you do not have to say ithnani, because kalamani gives that idea. But when you say ithnani, then you are emphasizing by adding the not. Indi kalamani ithnani, then ithnani is now making it more, emphasis. Okay? But you don't have to. But in case of 1 pen, you will have to say indi kalamun wahidun. Okay? So kalamani ithnani is a not. Kalamani ithnani is a not. Wahidun is a not. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Now what happens in number 3? This is where the drama begins. This is where the drama begins. There's a big drama here. We'll try to understand. Okay? We'll try to understand. Okay? Because it is different than other things. Okay? Now, how will you say in English? 3 pens. The way I said it, 3 pens. How will you say in English? 3 pens? 3 pens. Okay? So 3 and then pens. Remember? Plural. Are you with me? Plural. 4 pens. 5 books. You said plural. Okay? Okay? Remember that compound. 5 books. 3 pens. 4 houses. 6 cars. Now, from 3 to 10, brothers and sisters, we are only talking about 3 to 10. We are not talking anything else. 3 to 10. Okay? When you start with 3 to 10, there are 2 things in the construction. Okay, I will write down.